Hi guys, I just picked up a random Hot Wheels cars from a seller and honestly, I had no idea what was inside. Could be packed with absolute gems or full-on fantasy madness. So let's check out what we got. Before we proceed, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Because these cars could be yours someday. Whenever we do a giveaway, winners will be picked from subscribers and active commenters, so don't miss your chance. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the lineup.
The neon signs light up the night. Electric hearts in a city so bright. We're chasing dreams through pixel streams.